What you doing, Boots? What up, everybody? This is the Dad of Everything. Today I'm walking my dog, Boots, down over here to the walking trail. And it's going very smooth this time. It's my first time walking Boots in about a year. And she always just fought. And now she's actually not fighting with me no more. So me and her will go on plenty of walks in the future now. Boots does love her exploring. So I felt bad I haven't taken her on a walk in a long time. Alright, into the walking trail we go. Come on, Boots. This is actually only my second time bringing Boots to the walking trail. Yeah, check it out, Boots. She loves her exploring. What do you find now, Boots? I mean, your head's next to a pile of shit. Oh no, you found shit. Don't eat that. Come on, let's go. Don't eat that. Ooh, yeah, play with the stick. Nope. Just gonna smell everything. Man, I was just here a couple days ago. It's really cloudy and about to storm. No. Come, Boots. Pretty dog. Pretty dog. Come on, Boots. You smell so many territories. It's crazy. You're not the only one on this planet, Boots. Man, those purple trees off in the distance are so beautiful. I can zoom in on one for y'all. Yeah. No! Yeah. Hopefully we'll get a lap around this before it starts raining. That'd suck. Come on, Boots! Now smell the bench, because I know you are. Oh! You did! Good job, Boots! You didn't smell something! Don't you love how you have to use that voice with your dog? Hey, Boots! Oh, now she's starting to drag me. She's getting excited. Man, it's really about to start raining. I should probably hurry. This was a really bad day to choose to do this. So I still have to walk all the way home. I didn't drive down here. Alright, I'll meet you guys at this curve. Absolutely beautiful purple in those trees. Go, Boots, let's cut through here. I can feel the rain. It's starting. Beautiful. Well, we would go down there, Boots, but you'd get a little too excited out in the actual woods. All right, it's starting to rain, Boots. Let's go. Come on. Come on, Boots. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I am, as long as it don't rain. And you guys have a good day. Actually, no, let's check out Boots, how she reacts to this. Yeah, you see other land down there, huh? There's more to the world than this. No, Boots, we can't go down there. It's too dangerous. Come on. Come on, Boots. Come on. That's where that big old tree fell. Man, Boots is so chill today. Man, that's really starting to make purple my favorite color. Man, that's beautiful. Boots thinks it's beautiful too. But you guys have a good day. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel.